A new feature we have been working on is the integration of Passkey. So it's a new way to log in to your BTCPay Server instance that doesn't require you to input a login or a password. So the way you are using it is by either going inside your profile here and go and click on Passkey, or just slash Passkey and enter. So both way you go into this screen, and what you have to do is to register the device that you will use to authenticate to your BTCPay Server instance. So there's many different type of device. Maybe there is Face ID, Touch ID, Windows Hello, Android biometric. There is as well like a Mac, Apple that have their own stuff. Of course, you can use a YubiKey. The important stuff is that the YubiKey need to have what we call discoverable credentials, but nowadays YubiKey have it, but all version might not have it, and you're good to go. So for example, on my side, I will use YubiKey. So I will write YubiKey here. I put add. There is a screen. So my YubiKey asks that I put a small PIN code, and then I push the button of my YubiKey, and boom, now it's registered. Let's see. Okay. And what that means is that now if I log out, you can just click on this new passkey options here. Put your passcode for me. Of course, if you don't have a YubiKey, your experience is a bit different. I push it, and boom, I'm logged in. You can see no password, no login directly on my account. I hope you enjoyed this new feature.